Hi guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for a 2016 John Deere 1025R subcompact tractor loader backhoe with 260 backhoe on it. Subframe mount, does have the 3-point hitch kit with it. Top link is there. So we sold this tractor about 2.5 years ago to a customer. He put 274 on, there's 309, so 37 hours roughly on this tractor, and it's on the service that we did on it whenever it was sold. So engine oil, everything has been changed 37 hours ago. There's no oil leaks. It's a very clean tractor. He called us up the other day due to some personal reasons, needed to sell off some assets, so we went ahead and bought this tractor back. It's a very, very nice tractor. 50-inch John Deere quick attach bucket on it. Does have the H120 loader on it, again with the John Deere style quick attach. R4 tires, 309 hours. It has the nice seat with the armrest package. Does have the folding roll bar. 260 subframe mount backhoe again with the 12-inch bucket. John Deere style controls. Very, very nice tractor. We'll start here under the hood. Actually, start right up here. 3-point hitch kit is all there and complete. Top link. There was a spare hose that he had ordered from John Deere just in case he needed for on the backhoe. It does go with it. Under the hood, powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. This tractor did go back over here to our local dealer for a update retrofit kit for the air cleaner setup, and they put it on under warranty from John Deere, the retrofit kit and the new top valve cover. I guess John Deere had a problem with those cracking on the top of the valve cover, so they went ahead and they did the update for this. I think it's called a PIP, and John Deere actually does these services on a lot of tractors when it calls for needing that particular thing done. Up front does have the front grill guard, again the John Deere quick attach bucket, R4 tires. Watch that ride, it'll get you every time. Folding roll bar, all the lights work. No leaks on any of the cylinders, there's no aftermarket welding on anything. It does have the little toolbox package over here on this side. It is almost crazy what one of these little tractors today costs new, whether what color it is, blue, red, green, orange. It's just unbelievable, but these are a really good little tractor. They are high-low range transmission right over here. You're gonna have your 4-wheel drive in and out on the other side, PTO in and out over here. Again, 309 hours, all gauges work, tilt steering wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this tractor up, we're gonna run around and show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. walking pins. What a very nice little tractor. Excuse me today, I busted up my ankle over the weekend and I'm still fighting it here. Just not getting around today like I normally do. But anyhow, 2016 John Deere 1025R H120 loader, 260 subframe mount backhoe, 3-point hitch kit is there, 309 hours. It is a quick detach loader with quick detach bucket, R4 tires, very nice tractor. Couple normal paint scratch areas, that kind of thing. Everything's there, everything is complete. It is serviced, ready to go. Like I said, there's 37 hours on that service. We do have all the books and manuals for it. If you want to come by and check it out yourself in person, we have absolutely nothing to hide. It's why we take the time to do what we do, and it'll be exactly the way we say it is. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. We'll be glad to help you any way that we can. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company as always. Have a great day.